Look at your neighbours, a marvellous time. Excuse me, I get that. Oh, and a new Christmas tree. I heard it.
Help me.
Looks like a normal Christmas tree, but watch this. Stop!
Have some wine gums if you want one.
No, all black, you know, all black.
Oh, Mr. Foley, any chance of a quickie? Agnes Brown, you don't seem yourself tonight. What's wrong?
Rory's having sex. Hashtag feck off. Jesus, Tupperware's changed since my day. Go on.
Where did you get that?
Cathy's Tupperware box.
That's not Tupperware, and it's not meant for whipping cream.
But what is it for, then?
Yeah, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear.
The power's off. Will I turn it back on?
Happy Christmas, Rory. Good to see you looking happy.
I can't stop smiling.
Winnie,
What?
move.
Is it a spider?
No, move house.
Don't move house.
No, move house.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Good night.